Hi! In this video, we'll show how to install the SW-Motech Trax Adventure top case onto the second generation Perun Moto top luggage rack for the Yamaha Ténéré 700. This 38-liter top case is a compact and practical solution, large enough to carry everyday essentials or a single helmet, while keeping the bike clean and well balanced. The lid features integrated strapping points, which make it easy to secure additional gear on top when needed. One thing to keep in mind is seat compatibility. This setup works well with the stock seat, but using a thicker aftermarket seat will interfere with the top case and prevent proper installation. Before we begin, it's important to note that this setup is intended for road use only, with a maximum recommended load of 5 kilos. For the installation, you'll need the SW-Motech adapter kit for the adventure rack, which is sold separately, along with a 4mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Let's get started. Begin by placing the 4 mounting packs onto the top rack, in positions shown here. Reaching the underside of the rack to place the washers and safety nuts can be a bit awkward. To make this easier, the Perun Moto top plate features circular pockets on the underside, which help locate and hold the washer and nut in position during installation. Make sure each pack is properly centered in its corresponding circular recess before tightening the bolts. Tighten them snugly, but avoid excessive force. Over-tightening can cause the plastic pack covers to deform or crack. Next, install the rear sheet metal bracket. Use washers and safety nuts on the underside of the rack, but do not fully tighten the bolts just yet. At this stage, the bracket should still be able to move slightly. Now place the SW-Motech top case onto the rack and close the latch. This step allows the rear bracket to align into correct position. Once the top case is properly seated and centered, remove it again and fully tighten the 2 bolts holding the rear bracket. Reinstall the top case and make sure it locks into place easily and securely. Check that the case sits firm and stable on the rack. If you notice any movement or misalignment, loosen the rear bracket slightly, adjust its position, and retighten until the fit feels solid. Like all of our top racks, second generation top rack for the Yamaha Ténéré 700 is primarily designed for rackless luggage systems and smaller tailbags. Top case compatibility is a bonus feature rather than its main purpose. Remember that the maximum load for this setup is 5 kilos and that it's intended strictly for on-road use. Because the top case sits slightly forward and at an angle, passenger space is somewhat reduced. This configuration works best for commuting, daily riding, or short city trips, rather than extended two-up touring. For reference, the rider shown in this video is 185 cm tall, or 6'1". That's it. Your SW-Motech Trax Adventure top case is now installed on the second generation of the Perun Moto top luggage rack. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.